Welcome. In front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance 2, and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and if you see it, press the lower button to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon. And once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, you look for the option called sounds or sound and vibration. And once you find it, tap on it, of course. And here, look for the option called vibration intensity. Tap on it, and we can select between two, enhanced and standard. Select the one you like, and then you can press the back button or the lower button a couple of times to go back to watch face. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also do this through the phone application. So we can bring our phone, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen, like this. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Zap application. Actually, let me reopen it, like this. In the app, you should probably see the home page. Now you can tap on device. Here you should see your balance 2. Now you need to scroll down, tap on device settings, then tap on sound and vibration. And here you should see the vibration intensity. And you can select normal or enhanced. Select the one you like, and then you can close the app. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.